Grilling chicken thighs is an easy dinner using the grill, so I'm going to show you step by step how to make barbecue grilled chicken thighs. These are bone-in, and you can definitely make it confidently with some of the tips that I'm going to share with you, even if you're not a master griller. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to spread out the chicken thighs on some paper towel. The reason is I want to kind of dry them up on the outside, so I pat the top and bottom, make sure they're a little bit more dry than when they come out kind of juicy from the packaging, and then that'll help the seasoning stick much better. So here I'm just going ahead and I'm adding some olive oil and then some barbecue seasoning, barbecue rub. That's obviously gonna give these barbecue chicken thighs the flavor, but you could always just use like a poultry seasoning if that's what you have. I do recommend using something that has salt and pepper already in it, or you'd want to add salt and pepper as well. So just season them up. I find it super easy to use gloves to do this. We always have some gloves like this in the house. All right, so you want to make sure that you preheat the gas grill to high, which is about 500 degrees Fahrenheit. In this video, we're using a Weber gas grill, and an important thing to note is that you want the flame on going strong on part of the grill, but maybe on one burner or half of the grill, no flame. So there's gonna be a portion where at the beginning you're grilling right over the flame for about 5 minutes, skin side down with the lid closed. Then you flip the chicken thighs and grill for 5 more minutes directly over the flame with the grill lid closed again. And then you transfer chicken to indirect heat. So this is the burner. You see they're going to the side where we didn't have the burner on, and you want to grill for about 10 more minutes with the lid closed with the indirect heat until the chicken thighs reach 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And at that time, you're going to actually add on some barbecue sauce on the chicken thighs and then close the lid again and continue grilling chicken thighs with that indirect heat. You leave the flame on the left like you see here, but on the right there's no flame, or you move them to the top shelf where there's less heat. Just finish grilling them until they reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit and measure that with an internal read thermometer. These are so delicious, so good, you'll love them. Cheers!